Hi guys and welcome to FX Market Strategy. Yesterday we advised to buy the golden fire, extreme much fire. This is really good. The inflation change, the fundamental behind this is changing between the US and the ECB, and this is affecting the gold to rise very fast as we expected in the weekly forecast. And 2 days ago, a signal from 1920, which almost the bottom of this move. We also discuss the contracting triangle as one of the Elliott correction standard patterns. This is very standard. And when there is a triangle, there is equal force between the buyers and the sellers, and this is contracting and losing. Kind of each one is waiting for the breakout, and the gold is going to break out to the upside. Okay. We have drawn this almost every single wave of this one's up one, down one, like exactly, which was nice. The triangle was very clear in front of you guys. This was the first triangle, then it did extend to have another one. It's going very standard. So this move is expected to break kind of massively to the upside, and possibly we're going to go to the 2090, which we discussed, and the longer term possibly 2300. Okay. DAX right now is falling. Possibly we can join a sell right now at 13,230, and your stop loss is 100 points. Your target about between 100 to 300 points. Okay, so this is kind of the trade we want to be involved in, buying the gold and selling DAX. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% in any trade. This should be fair. So now we try to give kind of the best of trades. You don't want to trade every single thing that is moving. Right now, what's moving is the pound is really weak. Again, as the CHF is falling. Of course, CHF is going to be strong as the stock market is falling and gold is rising. So this makes sense. So pound CHF is a sell. I would rather to avoid this for now. Anyway, what's important for us is to see the gold to continue be weak, and this is gonna give help to the gold to rise fast, and that's what we want to see. The dollar index to stay weak for a little bit, this is a move right here we did see. So this may extend down right here. That was nice, expected a move right here. So if we zoom this a little bit, it's very important to understand where the dollar is moving. So this is expanding correction, just like we did have in the bound. So this was exactly bound, guys. See, this was kind of running flat. Now it's expanding correction. That's it. Okay. So what would you expect in this? You'd expect a big wave down. Technically, I'm not looking at anything fundamental now. Just technically what the chart says, I'm gonna do a move similar to the bound index. See guys, just focus on this one because we're gonna go to the bound index, and that was the one we're talking about. See, this was kind of flat, expanding, big crash, bang, bang crash. Okay, so it looks like the dollar is doing the same thing. It's kind of going flat, then expanding, like bang flat. Okay, I also don't want to risk too much. You want to be only involved in a certain amount. You don't want to be in too much of this. Okay, let's look at the gold right here. Again, dollar falling is gonna give strength to the euro index. So euro index now, let's check it out. It's probably gonna go up because the dollar is falling. So possibly we're testing the same level right here again. Okay, guys, before we fall back again, this will happen when the dollar index will start rising. So now we want to avoid the euros. Every time there is news from the ECB, usually the euro gets strong. Okay, so just avoid this for now. And the pound is crashing was bad news coming from the Brexit deal. But don't join this sell anymore. Just avoid that one. There is no buy signal yet. Just get out of this. Don't trade it. CHF is rising as the fear in the market and problems in the Brexit. So JPY bears, they should come down, not go up. Okay, this should return a little bit to the downside. Australian should start coming down a little bit if the stock market is gonna fall. Okay, if the stock market is gonna go up, this is gonna continue to the upside. So let's just focus on one trade right now on the gold right here, which is this is our interest right now to take this move. You guys want to see the big picture? We are just right there, right there. See, every time there was a kind of a correction, then move up, correction, then move up. If you go to the daily right here, okay, we discussed this many times. See, this chart is not very clear. Right here, you see, since 1200, one move up, then correction, one move up, then correction, one move up, then correction. It's a very clear uptrend. Okay, right here, this was a triangle in the daily chart. You see contraction right here, and this is the second day it did reverse. We did catch the 1920 and it did go down to 1906, so we almost catch the bottom right here. We did catch the same very last candle right here, just when it's reversing we did catch this one, which was good. Okay, so possibly this will continue up, guys. Okay, possibly you're gonna get today, you probably may get 1980 if the dollar index will fall strongly. Okay, if the dollar will fall very strong, then we're gonna get a higher price. Oil would avoid for now. About Nasdaq, I don't know if I have it here. The Bitcoin, guys, we said yesterday it's possibly a good buy from here. You can see start giving some signals. Yeah, Nasdaq is a good buy from here. Or stop losses right there, here, or if you want higher stop losses right there. So 11,480, your stop loss about 200 points, and you can buy Nasdaq. But don't risk more than 1 to 2% in this. This is probably one of the good trades to take. Okay guys, bound CHF, it did crash so bad. Of course all the bounds are gonna be crushed, okay, because the index itself you can see is going down. Even bound dollar, where the dollar is weak but the bound is weaker also. This is that was also possibly a buy, guys, here. Now we did give a buy signal since this area is still right there, okay. So you guys, you can see it was very clear here, breaking the trend to the upside. This was a really nice. You just need to hold it for a longer time. It's probably gonna go nice. EuroCAD possibly is gonna go up a little bit now before it comes down as the dollar index is going down, so the euro index is gonna go up, so it's gonna go a little bit stronger against the euro. Okay, so guys, one good idea is when you get into 3 trades, then all of them end up being in good profit, 2 winners and 1 loser. Don't just close the winner and get stuck with the loser. I found a lot of people do this. Don't do that. What you should do is you should close all of them at the same time. The next day or next week, start fresh. This is much better, so you don't get stuck with any one wrong trade. You can never get 10 trades 100% all the time continuously. This is just like no in the future. No one can do this. So what you should do is when you have 3-4 trades and they're running good and one is bad, you wait and wait and wait, and when you decide to close the good ones, just to get rid of all of the trades, clear your account. This is really helpful hint to do in your account, and also spiritually and psychologically you feel good. Your spirit will be feeling good. So that's a good thing to be aware of, guys. Okay, so right now the main thing is we're focusing the gold move, as we do expect the gold to fly up really fast. Okay guys, so right here, make it white. This is the move. We did give the buy from 1920, and we've been saying buy gold. Even the weekly forecast we said only buy gold. So we expect gold to fly. Euro CAD, probably the euro is a little bit strong, guys, because the dollar is falling. So avoid buying the euro for now. We're gonna wait till this is clear, then we sell it later on. So the euro index is on fire right now. Every time there is a news from the ECB, the euro just flies up. So wait, don't join the euro buy or sell now. Avoid it. For Tesla, yeah, it's a buy. This is a future. This will just keep going up. Yeah, this is a buy for sure. Okay, guys. Expect this to continue flying up. Also, Apple is gonna go up. Okay. And here, it's probably gonna go up. It's probably one small wave down, then bounce back up right here like this. Same thing, but probably Tesla's better. This probably is gonna just small tiny down right there. And then it's gonna take its way back to 400. Anyway, guys, if you have some gold, try to hold it in your account for a little bit more time. This is a good chance to rally up big time. You guys, you can see the correction, very clear move, and this is a flat correction. See the correction, and this also flat correction according to the Elliott waves. This is flat, but a little bit to the downside. Okay, the correction, you have three kinds: either flat, zigzag, or triangle. Triangle just like the big one in the gold, but those are running inside flat, and each one will have a meaning. The gold is doing really, really good. Of course, without looking, Euro USD is going up right there. Euro USD kind of sometimes go with the gold. It depends, but right there. Okay, guys. So don't sell euro dollar now. Wait here. We will catch it. See this right there. We want to catch it right here. We want to sell it at 1.2 exactly in the way down. So euro dollar, wait a little bit more. Euro Japanese yen, of course, flying. Okay, guys. I think we did give a buy signal in this one when we did make the video 2 days ago or something. We did give one sell here and we gave a buy from here, I believe. So this is the main trade we do have right now, buying the gold. Bitcoin probably, guys, is gonna fly if you're into Bitcoin, which they're gonna probably have a strong move to the upside. Bound did crash so bad. Just let's watch this gold trade so far. So we're gonna zoom it right here so we can watch all the trades. Bitcoin, I'm gonna slow it down. Gold, and you said also probably Nasdaq. So Nasdaq also, guys, we said it's a buy. Gold is flying really nice as expected, guys. Expect a big fly up, big one, big nice fly. I would only recommend those two trades. That's it for now. Just so you don't overtrade your account or anything. Just yeah, just those for now. You know, I'm not gonna put too much trades. So gold and Nasdaq is good. I have my first target 1980. So I'm just gonna take profit at 1980 price. Just to let you guys know. Hopefully this will work out good. Guys, DAX may be falling, so just gonna issue a sell of the DAX right here. So just gonna give a sell trade of the DAX quickly. But you guys, this is not the best to trade, so just if you're gonna open this one, take something small. Because this may just be a correction, then it will break to the upside and go up. See this? So hopefully you can get this move down. But it's not guaranteed, so please don't trial too much in this one. Just take it easy. Gold so far is flying up. I'm happy about this. I'm really happy. This is nice, very nice. No, avoid buying bound now. Don't trade bound today. There's too much problems between the UK and Europe over the Brexit deal and problems, so just don't trade bound, avoid it. You may just get a stop loss trap so far in the bound. So avoid this bound right now. Gold so far running good. What is good about gold when it catch a trend? It gives you right nice moves. Yeah, yeah, silver and gold the same thing. But there's no point to be in both of them. Okay guys, DAX looks like start to move in our direction, which is really nice. I kind of was worried about this signal not to work out. That's why it's only 1% risk. Let's see if it's gonna work out good. But this price is not a buying price at all. You should not buy DAX at that price, at least now. Okay, possibly we can get one leg down here, kind of midway here, and then we'll reverse back up. So this may work out good. Gold is okay, guys. Enjoy the gold, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go grab a coffee and come back. This is really nice. Okay, guys, best luck. Guys, the Dow is a buy. Okay, don't be too much in this one. This may not go very well. Dow Jones is a buy. Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian may start falling now, guys. So just keep the eye on them. So we're gonna issue one possibly EuroCAD now. We're gonna sell EuroCAD, guys. Okay. So this is the sell. Right here, this price is good. Nice. This is a nice signal, guys. Nice. We catch it in the 1 minute time frame. Here. Better, guys, to buy Dow Jones. The Dow is a buy, we said. So we're gonna put the Dow Jones here as a buy. Here. This is a good buy. Maybe get out of the DAX, guys. Just close the DAX one. If we're gonna buy the Dow and Nasdaq, no point of buying that. I'm selling the DAX now. This is nice correction after this wave. So this, guys, this correction is just about to break, right? And we have a nice run here. So buy Dow, guys, and close the DAX, okay? Hey guys, yes, the DAX is a German 30 or the DE30, it's the DAX. And euro dollar, we said wait to sell later on, not now. Euro Australian probably is gonna kind of range possibly toward the upside a little bit. New Zealand dollar is a buy, okay? Euro Canadian also don't be too heavy because the euro is the strongest currency right now. It's still going up a little bit, so don't be too heavy yet. So we're gonna go for like 150 bips, but don't take any big lot size for this one. Yeah, as we give a Euro Japanese yen buy, I believe was really nice. Previous forecast, if you guys remember. Euro bound probably is flying up, guys, now. Okay, so euro bound, as the euro is the strongest, and the euro bound is flying up. Euro bound, fine. It's too late to buy now. This is such a big candle in the weekly, very big. Wait, later on we'll take a sell. Don't touch this one now, it's too late. The buy was right here. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna probably come back later to update you guys about the trade, especially the Dow. Okay, hopefully this will reach the 28,500 soon. We're looking for about 500 points target in the Dow Jones buy. Hopefully it will work out good. Okay guys, thank you for joining today. We'll come later to update you guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, goodbye.